I enjoy being able to design and test and research different things that in class you'd never be able to play with or work with as much hardware and test equipment and everything as you get to work with a team like this. This is not really the whole guts of a hybrid system. This is just one piece or one component of an overall hybrid system. And these right here in particular are sensors that have been attached into the engine to allow us to feed these sensor readings back to the control room. As this has such a high current capability that as soon as this, just to give you an idea, this is capable of completely driving this car, which driving this car, this has about 140 horsepower electric motor in it. There's a set of contactors at the battery that if the vehicle ever gets in a wreck, there's a sensor that would sense that, and it'll cut the battery off and cut power to the entire vehicle at the battery. And if I turn the throttle up, start driving the vehicle. As I turn the throttle on and I use current, that number's going to go down. When I hit the brakes, voltage comes back up because I'm actually charging the battery with my brakes. There'll be a large battery pack that'll have 5 modules. There'll be 2 modules that'll make up the center console that your arm will sit on in the front of the vehicle, and then there'll be 3 modules, and those 3 modules will be sitting on their side and will not intrude into the cargo bay at all. Those modules will come out at the exact same level as this cargo bay already did. And what it'll replace is it'll replace the compartment that was underneath here for additional cargo, as well as things such as your tire inflator here. Our team's got a long road ahead of us to get to be able to win as we did last year. Just a joking motto that we've had around the team has always been go big or go home. And so that's one of the reasons why we went with a very risky design, but it was something that was much more optimal for the vehicle and the situation. Any design that we saw otherwise would have been much less risky, but it also would have been much less optimal.